Hey guys, Simple Checks here. I just want to let you guys know this is my honest review of AttaPoll, which means I have not been sponsored to talk about AttaPoll. This is not a sponsored video. Um, the only thing I could say I'm affiliated with is that they give me the invite code for AttaPoll, which I will be using in this episode. But other than that, I'm not sponsored by AttaPoll. And the reason why I say this is because I got asked on one of my videos, someone commented asking if I had been sponsored or paid to review these apps. And no, I have not. I've just been doing them because I want to give an honest review on apps claiming to give free money or prizes. So, again, I am not sponsored by AttaPoll. What it is, guys, Simple Checks here, back at it with another money app review. And today's money app is called AttaPoll Pay Surveys. Get paid, cash and rewards. It has a 4.5 star rating. It's for ages 4 and up. What's new? Bug fixes and performance improvements. The preview says take surveys, get rewards, invite friends. Oops. In the description, it says download AttaPoll and start getting paid for answering occasional surveys. Keep your earnings for yourself or donate to a charity. It's up to you. AttaPoll connects you with a wide range of companies and organizations that are looking for your views and opinions. By taking part in these surveys, you will be helping them develop new products and services or improve existing ones. We give you control, only want short surveys. You can specify the length, specify the length of surveys you want to be invited to. You can also decide how many surveys you receive in a day or a week. Our payments thresholds are low. That means you can cash out using PayPal quickly. AttaPoll LTD. Yeah, that's it. That's what it is. How AttaPoll works is you get paid to answer surveys from different companies and organizations who just want your honest thoughts and opinions on different subjects and products. My experience with AttaPoll was overall good. It's a pretty simple survey app. I do the surveys, I get paid. That being said, there are some problems with the app. For example, these survey vendors / companies can be scammy, to say the least. The ones that come to mind are, I think, Diana, Simplicio.io, and a couple others. I'll say this though, there are times when they can be legit and they do pay out, but it's very few times when they are. But as for this app, most are trustworthy and reliable, so when you fill out a survey, you do get paid. There are the occasional bad apples, and the surveys have a variety of time it takes to complete them. AttaPoll has this cool feature where you can choose how long you want surveys to be and how frequently you want to be notified about surveys. You can find this in AttaPoll settings. If you go to your settings and go to the section that says survey, that's where you can choose the length of time you are willing to do surveys and how much you want to be notified about surveys. To give an example of both, you could choose surveys 10 minutes long and could be notified every day or 2 times a day about surveys that are within a 10-minute range. Now, as far as money goes, it depends on the survey. You could get a 15-minute survey that pays 50 cents and then do another survey that's like 20 minutes long and only get 20 cents. The last thing I noticed about AttaPoll is they have a 5-star rating on surveys. To make it simple, 4 and 5 stars means you're basically guaranteed to get paid for the survey you completed. A 3-star rating means maybe you could get paid for completing a survey, or you could not get paid for completing a survey and just get kicked out. It kind of just depends. A 1 and 2-star rating means no, you're not getting paid for the survey. The reason why is because of these scammy survey companies / survey vendors. I really don't know what to call them. Like I said, the examples I've given before is Simplicio.io and Diana. Those are the ones that keep popping up for me. When you finish a 1 or 2-star rating, the surveys either kick you out, disqualify you at the very end after you've done all the work. I hate when that happens. Or the screen freezes. I've said before, there are times when they can be legit. You can get paid on a 1 and 2-star rating, but it's very few. It's like once in a blue moon, or at least for me it was. It might differ for you. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of AttaPoll. Let's start off with the cons. One of the cons I noticed was you will not qualify for every survey, meaning you'll get kicked from some surveys. The second con is you may have to deal with crappy or scammy survey vendors/companies, and that's it. Now let's talk about the pros of AttaPoll. It's fairly easy and simple. I do the surveys, I get paid. Friendly user interface for beginners. Doesn't take a lot of money to redeem, meaning like you don't have to save up to like $10, $20 just to redeem. The star rating on the surveys does help you know which surveys are more likely to pay you for completing the survey, and I like that. So that's a pro for me. Last but not least, the biggest pro about AttaPoll is that it actually does pay out. It's not a scam. It's legit, and I'll be showing the proof right now. Hey guys, Simple Checks here, and where we reached the redeem amount for AttaPoll. Let's go here, $5.13. So I can donate it, Revolt, PayPal, gift card. I'll just do PayPal. All right, let me put in my email. Okay, submit. Yes. All right, sorry about the plane in the background. Success. Recent payment request, December 26th, pending. So yeah, I forgot what they said though. Let's go check. Most likely, complete, not now. So is it my account right now? Or does it take usually 3 to 5 business days? If it says complete, then I'm just gonna go check real quick. Oh. Okay. So it must be in my account. Well, there you guys go. AttaPoll sent me $5.13. And yep, there you go. So it's not a scam, it's legit. So if you guys thought this was a scam survey app, nope, it's not. It's legit. And you guys can see, just as I said, $5.13. My overall thoughts on the AttaPoll app was that it was a really good survey app. I would argue it's the best survey app out there because it's straight to the point. You do the surveys, you get paid. The minimum amount you have to reach is $3 in survey money to redeem, which is pretty good. Which in my opinion is a lot better compared to other survey apps where you have to like cash out at like $10, $15, $20. Again, this is one of the best survey apps out there. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll leave a link in the description for the app. I know it's on iOS and I just barely checked, and it's also on Google Play for Android users. For the people that stay towards the end and are interested in the app, I got a reward for you. If you use my invite code when signing up, you'll get 50 cents right off the bat just using my code. So all you'll need is about $2.50 more to redeem. I'll say this again, I'm not sponsored by AttaPoll. I just wanted to help out my subscribers and thank people for all the support I've been getting. So there you guys go. And I'll see you guys in the next one.
it.